AutoGeek.net presents Intermediate Swirl Removal, featuring Pinnacle XMT polishes. Step 1. This step will remove deeper swirls, scratches, oxidation, and imperfections. The products used in this step are the Porter-Cable 7424, Pinnacle XMT Intermediate Swirl Remover No. 3, and Lake Country Orange Pad. First, lightly mist pad with Pinnacle XMT Polishing Pad Conditioner. Use approximately a quarter size amount for a 2 by 2 foot area. Spread the polish over the paint before turning on the Porter-Cable to help prevent splatter. Now turn the Porter-Cable to speed 3 to 4 and evenly spread the polish on the area. Once the polish is spread, turn to speed 5 or 6 and work the polish until it is broken down. When using an abrasive polish, keep the movement slow and overlapping. This will give the polish time to remove the imperfections. Depending on the severity of the imperfections, you may need to start off with more pressure than normal. Use anywhere from 15 to 25 pounds. To help you figure out what 15 to 25 pounds of pressure feels like, place the Porter-Cable on a bathroom scale and press down to the desired weight. Work the polish for approximately 3 to 5 minutes to break the polish down. As the polish breaks down, you can increase the movement and lighten the pressure. At this point, it has completely broken down and the polish residue is ready for removal. This is what the polish looks like at the beginning. This is what it looks like when it's completely broken down. Remove the residue with a Cobra microfiber towel. Now check your work to see if the desired results have been achieved. If needed, repeat this step before moving on to a finishing polish. Step 2. This step will bring the gloss back to the paint by removing any hazing or micromarring caused by a more abrasive polish. The products used in this step are the Porter-Cable 7424, Pinnacle XMT Ultrafine Swirl Remover No. 1, and a Lake Country White Polishing Pad. First, lightly mist the pad with Pinnacle XMT Polishing Pad Conditioner. Use approximately a quarter size amount of polish for a 2 by 2 foot area. Again, to help prevent splatter, spread the polish on paint before turning on the Porter-Cable. Now turn on the Porter-Cable to speed 3 to 4 and evenly spread the polish on the area. Once the polish is spread, turn speed to 5 to 6 and work the polish until it is broken down. Since this is a finishing polish and you are not removing deeper imperfections, the pressure can be lighter and the movement can be faster. Again, work the polish in for approximately 3 to 5 minutes to break the polish down. Once the polish is almost completely broken down, use only the weight of the machine and burnish to a high gloss. The polish is now broken down and ready for removal. Remove the residue with a Cobra microfiber towel. Now you're ready for step 3, Pinnacle XMT Carnauba Finishing Glaze. Steps 3 and 4. These steps are finishing steps and will add depth, wetness, and protection to the finish. Step 3. Applying Pinnacle XMT Carnauba Finishing Glaze with the Porter-Cable 7424. The products used in this step are the Porter Cable 7424, Pinnacle XMT Carnauba Finishing Glaze, and Lake Country Gray Pad. Use approximately a quarter size amount of Pinnacle XMT Carnauba Finishing Glaze for a 3 by 3 foot area. Spread the glaze around the area before turning on the Porter Cable. By applying the glaze using the Porter Cable at speed 3 or 4, you can cover a larger area faster than if you apply it by hand. Spread the glaze until it becomes translucent. If desired, you can apply XMT finishing glaze to the whole car before removing it. Remove the XMT finishing glaze with a Cobra microfiber towel. Step 4. Applying and removing Pinnacle Souveran Liquid Wax with the Porter Cable 7424. The products used in this step are the Porter Cable 7424, Pinnacle Souveran Liquid Wax, and a Lake Country Blue Pad. Use approximately a nickel-size amount for a 3 by 3 foot area. Again, spread the wax around the area before turning on the Porter Cable. Apply a thin layer of Souveran Liquid Wax to the paint with the Porter Cable on speed 3 to 4. Like the XMT finishing glaze, Souveran Liquid Wax can be applied to the whole vehicle before removing it. Allow the wax to haze before removing it. To remove Souveran Liquid Wax with a Porter Cable, use a Lake Country Lambswool pad, covered with the Cobra microfiber bonnet. Set the Porter Cable to speed 3 or 4 and go over the area until a high gloss appears.